Hi Jessica, thank you for your question. So I'm going to explain how they came to the answer of 6.6 milligrams and explain what this significant figures explanation means. So first of all, let's show you how they came to this 6.6 milligrams. First of all, it says here that according to the American Dental Association, an adult female should consume 3.0 milligrams of fluorine per day. And we know that sodium fluoride, which is in toothpaste, is composed of 45.24% fluoride in sodium fluoride. So how much sodium fluoride do you need to consume in order to get this 3 milligrams of fluoride every day? So the formula you're going to write is a percentage of sodium fluoride that's going to equal 3.0 milligrams of fluoride. So your percent is going to be this 45.24, but we have to write it as a decimal, so that's going to be 0.4524, which is the same as multiplying this number by 100, or just moving your decimal to the left 2 places. Of in math is always translated as multiplication, and then NAF is going to be our unknown, which I'm going to put here as an X, and that's equal to 3.0 milligrams of fluoride. So we're multiplying 0.4524 times X, so I can rewrite it again if I want with just the unknown, is equal to 3.0 milligrams of F. Now I'm just going to use algebra to isolate X, which means that if I'm multiplying X by that decimal, in order to get rid of that decimal and bring it over to the other side, I'm going to divide, and that gets rid of that, and whatever I do to one side, I'm also going to do to the other. So X, when I divide 3 by 0.4524, I get 6.63 and a lot more decimals. Now, maybe you got to this point and you're wondering why the system didn't accept 6.63 and would only accept 6.6. The reason for that is this 2 significant figures. In science, we like to make sure that our numbers agree with each other, and we use significant figures to do this. Now, in saying this, this is not an outcome for Chem 1046 or Chem 1047, so we don't cover how to do significant figures, something that we may change in the future. So if you entered 6.63 on the test and it came back as incorrect, just let me know and I'll go in and make it correct. But what they wanted us to do is to change our number, round it so that it becomes 2 significant figures. And the 2 significant figures in this case are the first 2 numbers, 6 and 6. We want to round it to this significant digit here. So the 3 afterwards says that your number would just become 6.6 milligrams. Now if that 3 was 5 or larger, then we would round it up to 7, but in this case we can just keep it as 6.6. So the moral of the story is, if the problem that you're having with this is just you weren't sure how to set up the formula, well, now you know. If your problem was that you had too many decimals for the system, Pearson system, and it marked it incorrect even though you had the correct answer, in the future just let me know and I can override that in Pearson. So thanks for your question, and I hope this clarifies everything. Bye for now.